Happy holidays! One of my favorite holiday traditions is going to the Christmas tree farm. It's fun to watch my daughter pick out the Christmas tree and then watch my husband do all the hard work chopping it down. Well, today we're going to create our own small Christmas tree farm using some of my favorite Lemax pieces, and then we're going to be using Lemax bottle bush trees. And in our tree farm, it's not just going to be regular Christmas trees, it's going to be colorful ones. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to paint these and set up your own Christmas tree farm. You guys ready? Let's go. For our first step, we're going to tape the base of our bottle brush tree because we don't want to get any paint on that. So using some pieces of painter's tape, I'm going to cover the entire bottom. For our next step, you want to get an old box, and we're going to put our bottle brush tree in the box, and we're going to tape it to the bottom. So taking some more painter's tape, we're just going to tape it to the bottom of the box so it doesn't fall over when we paint it. Start by spraying a primer on your tree. No matter what color you're using, a primer will help you get a bold color. Make sure you let the primer completely dry. Once it's dry, you're ready to add your color. We're going to use a burgundy red spray paint. Let your tree completely dry before you take it in. Check out how fun my red tree looks, and I've got my silver and gold ones done as well. All right, it's time to start creating our Christmas tree farm. Our Christmas tree farm also has a campsite for our camping couples. And check out their fire, it lights up. What do you need when you're camping? Of course, a firewood delivery. So we have our firewood delivery man bringing firewood to the couples. And he gets it there with his horse-drawn sleigh full of wood. And of course, what Christmas tree farm is complete without the main building where you pay for your Christmas tree? And of course, we want everyone to know that it's open, so we should turn on the lights. We've got Sonia, who's helping you chop down your trees. And of course, we've got a few little trees to put outside. Now all that's left is to put out our bottle brush trees so that our campers can come choose the perfect Christmas tree. Welcome to the Christmas tree farm. I love how this is going to help remind me that this is one of my favorite family traditions, just like collecting and building Lemax displays every year. To find out about these pieces that I use today, make sure to visit lemaxcollection.com, and there you can find authorized retailers that sell all of these pieces plus more. And don't forget to follow Lemax on social media for more great DIY village ideas. Happy holidays, friends!